Let's move on to the question number 8. And question number 8, the question is, how would you dynamically find top n products in each category based on sales, right? So I have category and different products, right? Like 10 products. I want top n products in each category based on sales. It can be top 5, top 3, whatever, right? So it is currently sorted based on category. I will press shift and then it will be sorted on total sales as well. So it is double sort if you want to do by category and then total sales. So in furniture, I have these my top products, right? So let's say first I want to find top five. Then I will say how we can do it dynamically, right? Based on users' input. So if I have to find top five, one, two, three, four, five, these are my top five products in furniture. And similarly in office supply, these are my top five products based on the total sales. So let's solve this top five first, and then we will see how we can dynamically do it. So go here, new measure, and I will drive a rank. So let's call it rank. I will say rank X. Okay, rank X. Now which table? Orders table, obviously. Expression based on sales, total sales, right? In the descending order by default, right? Let's see what happens. So I will take rank here. Sorry, I will take rank here. Okay, so it is giving me rank 11111 because it is working on the current filter context. So for each row, it is separately calculating the rank, right? But what I want within each category, all the products it should consider, not just individual product, right? So when it is ranking, it should rank on all the products within a category. So what I will say, all products, right? Consider all products within a category. So category filter context is still valid, but for product, it will consider all the product within that category. If you see 1, 2, 3, now we have got the rank, right? Similarly for office supplies, we have rank starting from 1, right? Because the filter context category is still there, but for product, we have overwritten the filter context by using all function, right? So this is fine now. So I've got the perfect rank. Now what I will do, I'll create another column and I will say top sales, right? Let's say top sales, and I will say if my rank is less than or equal to 5, we are hard coding 5, then give me total sales, otherwise blank. Or you can just leave as it is, which is also fine. By default, it will be blank. Okay, let's take top sales now in the view. Okay, so if you see, I'm seeing sales only for top 5. Again, for office supplies, top 5, again this. Right? If I just want to see the top products, not other products, so I can remove other columns. So I can remove total sales and rank, all these measures. So I'll remove rank and I will remove total sales. Right? So what happens in Power BI, if the value is blank by default, it will not give you those rows. Right? So for these two dimension combination, the top sales was blank. So it is not showing you, but you can enable it. But which is fine, right? So this is fine. We got the top five products in each category, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. But I want to make it dynamic now, right? So how do I make dynamic? So there are multiple ways. One simple way is go to modeling, create new parameter. I want to give a numeric range, right? Let's call it top n, whole number, minimum 1, top 1, or increment of 1, which is fine, and maximum till 5, let's say, right? And default value is fine, 5, which is okay. So now if you see, we have got a slicer, right? I can pass any value. And here also I've got one table top n, right? So if I just say 1, it will be 1, right? If I say 2, it will be 2, but we are not using it currently, right? You can change this 3, 4, 5, right? So I have to do one thing just, right? I have to go to the top sales. Instead of this hard coded value, I will say, let me just make some space. Okay. Instead of hard coded value, I will say top n value, right? That's it. That's the only change we have to do, right? So if I just do this, so values 5, it is giving me top 5. If I say 2, it is giving me top 2 in each category, right? If I say 1, it will give me top 1 in each category, right? And 3, then 3, whatever you choose, right? So this is now dynamic. User can choose how many they want in each category and you will get it. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the next question.